Hello everyone, this is me Rishabh. Welcome back to my podcast. So today's our guest is Krupa ma'am, and she is a public speaker and as well as she is a life trainer and as well as a content creator. So let us interact with her and let us know everything about public speaking. Hello ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Rishabh. Hello, how are you?
Yeah ma'am, I'm doing good. And what about you ma'am?
I'm also very fine.
Okay, fine. So ma'am, today we will discuss a wonderful topic all about public speaking because this
Yes.
topic is quite familiar within the content creator or within most of the people public speaking. So ma'am, first can you introduce yourself that what you do?
Yes, sure. Thank you for the nice introduction from your side. Now I'll introduce myself. So basically, I'm Krupa Mechanic, and I love to help people to get better with their confidence level and better on the video. So I am basically a public speaking and video marketing coach and expert.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Thank you for coming to my podcast and giving me precious time. So my first question is that what is public speaking? Because a lot of people don't know what is the real meaning of public speaking. So can you say
Yes,
that what is public speaking or what is
yes, of
public
course.
speaking? Yes.
Of course. So basically, public speaking is something when a person speaks in front of a group of people. So basically, it is as the name suggests, you have to speak in front of group of people. It's not a one-to-one communication, but so many people are afraid of speaking in front of public because of fear of judging or anything, and you are speaking. Why? Because you have some message, whether you want to educate them, whether you want to give information, you want to influence them. So there are so many purposes. That is public speaking.
Okay, fine. Yeah, ma'am, you explained very well what is public speaking. So, ma'am, my next question is that what is the need for public speaking? Okay, like in anybody's life, okay, what is importance or what is need of public speaking in anybody's life?
Thank you, Resha, for asking this question, because I really want to answer this. Because so many people want to become public speaker, but they don't know the real importance of speaking and public. What is public speaker in and how public speaking can really change their lives and grow their lives. So basically, when you become a public speaker, your creativity, your personality, your communication, all these aspects of your life gets better and better, and you will stand out different from the crowd. You will stand out that yes, you are somebody, and people will know you because of your communication and your better personality. Because what is the problem today is that people and the next generation is so much into their mobile phones that they are forgetting to interact with the family members or the relatives and the friends, and they are becoming more introvert. And when it comes to interacting with the people or a group of people, they are so much of afraid, and they know what to say, but they can't because of the fear or the less confidence level. So
Hmm.
public speaking will help you to become more confident, develop your personality, your creative thinking, and your communication will be better. So I would suggest each and everyone to learn public speaking, because this is not a talent, it is a skill that you can learn anytime.
Okay, fine, man. Ma'am, you explained everything very well. Okay, like what is the need of a public speaking, okay, in anybody's life. So, ma'am, next question hits my mind is that okay, that how to become a public speaker. Okay, as you said that what is public speaking and what is need of public speaking in anybody's life.
Yes,
So the next question will
yes.
definitely come in my mind that how can we become a good public speaker or what is the qualities okay that a public speaker have?
Yes. So, importance, I have already talked about the importance. So, this is a very good question, that how can anyone can become very good public speaker. So, I will give some tips here. That first and foremost tip is that you need to practice, practice, practice. These are the three P's actually. That is Practice, practice, and practice. You have to practice more and more. Secondly, you need to remember your purpose, that why. You need to remember your why you want to become public speaker. Why? What is your purpose? Is it to educate or entertain or influence people, or develop your personality, or get better with your communication skills? What is your main purpose? So you need to find it out, and then you need to preparing a script and talking it in front of the people is two different things. So you need to be very crafty when you craft your speech, and you need to be very creative when you are speaking and creating your script. So be creative when you are making your script. So these are some points to become a good public speaker.
Okay,
And
thank
yes,
you, ma'am.
obviously, one more point is that you need to have self trust, self confidence, and self belief in you, that you can do very best.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Definitely. Thank you so much for giving a wonderful point. Okay, as you said that practice and self trust and how confidence is useful in our life. So, ma'am, next question, like, what is a quality? Like, if you wish to say, like, what are the qualities of a public speaker?
The first and foremost quality is the confidence level and the creative mind that engages with the people or the audience in front of him. So these are the two qualities, main and most important qualities of a good public speaker.
Okay, fine, fine. As ma'am, as you said, the importance and need of public speaking in our life, it plays a very good impact and it plays a very good role. So why a lot of people cannot become a public speaker, or what why they are cannot enhance themselves in public speaking?
Yes, that's a very good question. Sometimes it happens that if we have some negativity about something, we
Hmm.
fear of doing that. And people have lot of negativity, and there are so many myths going on in their mind. So I will tell you, there are some myths. First and foremost myth is that they think that public speakers are born. They are not skilled. They are when they were born, they were born with this skill. So I
Okay.
would like to tell each and everybody that only the babies are born on this planet. And babies, when the baby is born, he or she has nothing in that in him or her, that basically any skill or any talent. He just know how to cry and how to other daily courses. Nobody is born with any talent or any skill. So public speaking basically is a skill. Whether whenever you want to you want to learn driving a car. Okay, so how can you learn it? By practicing, right? So driving a car you can learn. So public speaking is also a skill that you can learn at any point of time in your lifetime. So it is a skill you can learn. Second myth that is going on in everyone's mind is that whenever you want to be a public speaker, you first need to be or you first need to have English fluency. Okay, so people think that if I want to be a public speaker, I need to talk in English. But that is the biggest myth. Yeah, apart from the fact that if you want to be an international speaker, then you have to speak in English. But when you are when you are delivering a speech in your area, suppose you are in north side. Okay, so you need to speak in the language that audience can understand. It is not that you need to speak in English only. You are going in north side, and if you talk in Bangla language or any South language, will they understand? No. So this is the main point, that you need to speak in the language which your
Mm.
audience will understand. And the third important myth that is preventing them to become a very good public speaker is that I don't want to go on stage, so why should I become a public speaker? Because public speakers are only whenever I see any public speaker, they are on the stage and they are delivering any some speech or anything. But
Mm.
as I told you about the need and importance, that first of all, if you are not confident and your communication is not better, you cannot grow in any area of your life, whether it is personal or professional. So if you want to grow in your life personally and professionally, you have to speak, communicate properly, and public speaking will help you to communicate. If two persons are there in an interview, one with a very good communication skill and the confidence, and the other one not with a very good that level of confidence and the creativity and all. So
Mm.
there, even if that second person has a very good technical knowledge, the first
Mm.
one will be selected for that interview and for that job. Why? Because people today, the companies are not looking for only the technical knowledge, they are also looking for the communication skills in
Mm.
you. And public speaking really helps you to grow your communication skills. So that's
Okay.
it.
Yeah, ma'am. Wonderful. You explained very well. Okay, and I liked your every point. Okay, as you said that public speaking is not a talent. Okay, it is a skill. Yeah, this I have found in the people. Okay, they think that who are the public speaker. Okay, they come with the inborn talent. Okay, that they're but they have developed in reality. They have developed, and as you said that okay, that if you want to become a public speaker, you should know English or you should be confident in English. Like I have seen a
Yes.
lot of public speaker. Okay, they are delivering their speech in Hindi or might be in different
Yes.
language. Yeah,
Yes.
but then also they are a public speaker. And the third most important thing you said that communication skills. Okay, as you said, mention it very well. Okay, and I am also working in it. Okay, in communication skills. Okay, and how important is it? Okay, now I can recognize the thing. Okay, ma'am. And my last question is that okay, as you explained every question in a very good and wonderful manner. And my last question is that this question is very precious question. Okay, like I ask this question with every member, like whomever, every guest, whomever I bring in my podcast. So my question is that like, what is the piece of advice you would like to give to the young people or to the people who are learning public speaking or who are improving communication skills in their life?
Yes. So, first and foremost thing you need to remember is to trust yourself. Trust yourself that you can do anything if you learn and if you are upgrading with your knowledge. I tell everybody to read some books or to gain some knowledge. We have so many options and we have so many apps to summarize the books and get the knowledge out of it. So read some books and upgrade with your knowledge. Unless and until you upgrade your knowledge, you cannot succeed in any area. So this is the main important thing, and that is the piece of advice I would like to give to everyone.
Okay, ma'am, that's wonderful. Like two pieces of advice you gave. Okay, that first is trusting yourself. That is very important. And second is reading book. Okay, so the two things I am also doing. Okay, and I would also request to listener. Okay, who are right now watching us. Okay, so they can also follow this piece of advice. Okay, if you want to become better in your life. And now it's time to end our podcast, ma'am. And very very thank you for coming and giving your precious
Thank
and
you so much.
valuable. Yeah,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much for having me on your show. I really thank you.